gametogenesis, in which now we are going to focus on the formation of female gamete. As it is forming the female gamete, that is the ovum, so hence it is referred as oogenesis. As spermatogenesis, oogenesis also occurs in 3 steps. First step is the multiplication phase. So in multiplication, that is the first phase in which primordial cells are converted to the oogonium, that is the multiplication step. Here it undergoes the process of mitosis for divide and redivide. Primordial cell, it is a diploid in nature, so oogonium is formed where spermatogonium is formed in spermatogenesis. So in multiplication phase, primordial cells get divide and redivide by the process of mitosis. It forms oogonium. Now the second step, that is the growth phase. By the process of growth phase, that oogonium get converted to the primary oocyte, that is referred as growth phase. Now the third phase comes, that is the process of maturation phase. In the maturation phase, the primary oocyte undergoes the process of meiosis 1. So in meiosis 1, what happens? Primary oocyte get converted to the secondary oocyte, but here the unequal division occurs. The larger cell, it is going to form a secondary oocyte, and smaller cell, it is referred as a first polar body. But it is get arrested at diplotin stage, and out of that one of get a chance to get leave from that arrest, that is the diplotin stage. So you have to remember, in a diplotin stage there is a arrest at which the process of oogenesis get stops. So during the nearby ovulation period, they are released from the arrest. Now meiosis 1 is completed to form secondary oocyte. Later on, secondary oocyte undergoes the process of meiosis 2. Here also it undergoes the arrest at meiosis 2 nearby the metaphase stage. So here again, at the time of ovulation, it get released from the arrest and form the ovum and one polar body. So hence total 3 polar bodies is formed and only one. So what, there is a difference in spermatogenesis. 4 spermatozoa are formed, but in oogenesis only 1 ovum is formed and remaining 3 are act as a polar body. So it is referred as oogenesis. So we will quickly summarize what is oogenesis. Oogenesis, it is the process of formation of female gamete, that is the ova, and oogenesis occurs in the ovary. It starts from the primordial cells, undergoes the mitosis as the multiplication phase, forms the oogonium. Oogonium is also diploid in nature. Now it undergoes the growth phase where it enlarges in size, forms a primary oocyte. Now the next stage, that is maturation. In maturation, primary oocyte undergoes the meiosis 1 to produce haploid secondary oocyte and one polar body. Here unequal division occurs, hence one cell becomes too much larger and another cell is too much smaller. Here arrest occurs at diplotin stage of prophase 1. Now they get released when they get a chance. After that, secondary oocyte is formed. It proceeds for the meiosis 2. In meiosis 2, again it get arrested at metaphase, and during the ovulation it get released from metaphase and starts the ovum formation and one polar body. So hence overall here we are only getting one haploid ovum and remaining 3 polar bodies. So it is all about the oogenesis. Thank you.